We have met the Tribal Welfare Minister, Government of Tripura, Mr. Mebar Kumar Jamatia, to highlight few issues like the recruitment of teachers, especially in Kokboro, in school, college and university level. This is one point. The second point is that the post-matric scholarship, especially of the B.Ed and other students, and also one more issue which we have discussed thoroughly with the Tribal Welfare Minister is that recently the Tripura Forest Service, they have issued one advertisement in the newspaper. So in that newspaper they have said that desirable language is only Bengali, so which is a difficult subject for all the Kokborok speaking people. So as we know that since few years back we came to know, and it is also learned that in any TPSC exam, civil service exam in Tripura, being Kokborok also a official language, we can opt both for Bengali and Kokborok. But now the advertisement has been given in such a way that all candidates seeking to appear TFS exam, Tripura Forest Service exam, and other civil service and many exams, they have only the option to opt Bengali as a second language. So here we have appealed to the Tribal Welfare Minister on behalf of the Tripura Students Federation that this should not happen and this option should be given for the indigenous tribal people. So in our discussion he also assured us that he will take up the matter with the government, and also he showed us the minutes taken on 2nd March 2020 that there was a thorough discussion that they will be recruiting teachers, postgraduate teachers in Kokborok, in schools and colleges, which is run by the state government. So also during our discussion we met the Tribal Welfare Director, Sam Dalong. So in his presence we have discussed thoroughly regarding the post-matric scholarship. So the problem with the government is that the money is not yet released to the department. So it is lying with the finance department till now. So all those problems will also be solved very soon. So also we have submitted a memorandum to the Education Minister, Mr. Ratan Lamna. So with him, especially though we could not meet him today, he also assured and called Mr. General Secretary Sunil Devarma that he could not give time due to his busy schedule today, but he will be meeting us very shortly. So we'll be discussing, as he is an education minister, we have much emphasized in our memorandum that if all other recruitments on all other subjects are done, so why not Kokborok teachers being recruited in this recruitment? So also we have highlighted that the online classes due to the COVID-19 pandemic is on. So in all the subjects, in all the languages almost here, but Kokborok has become an exceptional. There is no online classes in Kokborok. So we are very sorry to say that even the media persons are keeping quiet in this issue. So if you all gear up to say something that this government is doing this, so this would be our good side. So neutrally if you speak, it is your responsibility also for the development of Tripura. So thank you.